All right, bro, I need you to stop saying my face is ugly. I don't want to look like this. Why do I look like this? I'm here to tell you there's 5 things that you're already doing that's destroying the way you look, destroying your appearance, the way you feel, the way you act. I'm gonna break it down for you and what not to do. I'm gonna give you some pointers on what you can start doing. Now, before we get into this video, I want you to like this video as it really helps out my channel grow and gets this video out to more men that are interested in the same thing as you. Lifestyle, grooming, fashion, fitness, how to feel and become an unstoppable man. So obviously we all love going outside, being in the sun. It makes you feel good, you have more energy. We overall as human beings thrive in the sun. But I'm here to tell you that the sun is actually destroying your face. Now, not only is it destroying your face, we know it's destroying your face, but what are you doing to prevent this? Now, I need you to start wearing a sunscreen on your face before you go outside. And I'm not talking about the ones that your mom made you put on when you're younger that smell like sunscreen. I'm talking about a protective sunscreen that is a layer on your face. You're not gonna smell this one at all. It's gonna have a scent-free smell. Now, sun exposure is one of the main causes of premature aging, your face looking dull, saggy, and wrinkly. So that's why I want you to start using a protective SPF sunscreen on your face. Obviously, our food that we eat day to day plays a big role in how your face looks. Now, if you're constantly eating processed foods and sugar, things that are not good for you, if you're doing these things regularly on a day-to-day basis and you're not consistent with eating a good enough protein, foods with high antioxidants, your fruits and vegetables, this is gonna start to cause you to have acne breakouts, which is gonna lead you to thinking you're ugly. We wanna eat foods that are high in antioxidants to help the skin on our face, to help replenish our good skin cells. Now, another thing you're probably already doing that's damaging your skin that you probably think is okay, and I'm actually happy that you're in a routine of taking care of yourself, but I'm here to tell you, you don't need to be exfoliating your skin every single day. This is harming your skin. You're gonna start to cause a lot of itchiness, redness. Your face will actually start to peel. When you over exfoliate too much, you can actually damage the protective barrier of your skin. This makes your skin look very rough, uneven, and dull. So instead of doing this every day, I want you to start doing it 1 to 2 times a week as needed. So another thing you're doing, bro, is you're not sleeping enough. You're staying up late, you're being unproductive, you're on your PS4, you're on your Xbox, you're gaming with your buddies online, you're being very unproductive, you're not getting enough sleep. And I'm not here to tell you to stop playing video games or to stop having fun, but there's a time and place to do those things. There's a time and place where you need to be a productive guy. You want to become an unstoppable man. You need to start incorporating a routine into your life and actually getting enough sleep. I'm talking about 6 to 8 hours a night. This is how you're going to become unstoppable. When you sleep enough, you're going to get rid of those bags under your eyes. You're going to get rid of that groggy feeling in the morning, that laziness. You're gonna feel so much better about yourself. Getting enough sleep is so crucial to having good skin. When you don't sleep enough, your body starts to produce more cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down collagen, which definitely can lead to fine lines and wrinkles on your face. Now again, not enough sleep will cause puffiness and dark circles under your eyes, which is also gonna affect the way you look and the way you feel. Now, another thing that's destroying your look is you're spending too much time in the shower. You're staying in the shower 10, 15, 20 minutes. You're letting the hot water run on your body. This is so bad for your skin as it's gonna leave it dry, itchy. It's gonna cause it to be more red. You're actually stripping away the natural oils when you stay in the shower for too long. And especially if you're someone that doesn't really moisturize their skin and rehydrate their skin after you get in the shower, this is already completely destroying the way your skin looks. You can be productive in the shower. I would say, honestly guys, I don't shower for more than probably 5 minutes. Even if I am doing my self-care routine, I'm exfoliating my skin, I have to shave my body, whatever it is, I can definitely get it done under 5 minutes. If I'm shampooing, conditioning my hair, I can get it all done in 5 minutes. You don't need to be staying in there longer than that. You wanna be productive, you wanna have a better day, start doing the shower routine a lot faster. So there you have it, guys. That was the 5 things that make your face uglier. Now on this channel, we talk about being the best version of yourself. Now if I did do that in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I'm posting content like this every single week. And I want you to be a part of this community, and I'll see you all in the next video.